Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. I am here in the street now because I want to buy food for my employer. So now this is at this moment it's raining. Since this is 3 days, so now it's a little bit water in the area because of heavy rains. It's already 3 days, but it's okay. They're a rich country. They can provide. Oh my God! Look, look at the water. Oh my God! So not only in Dubai having this one, but I think all around the world. But there is a month or um, it's depend the weather. So I am here now. I need to go inside. Oh my God! I am. It's really. The water now is go up. Maybe stuck up now later. So okay. So I am here now to buy food from my employer. Right. Kasi talaga may singsang. So kanina guys, ang taas ng tubig kanina dahil sa ulan. But now at this moment, the water now is going down because they open the drainage. So now this is it. And this is me. So good job, Macau. Ngayon lang ako naging maaga pag-uwi. Meron na naman akong bagong bashers sa Facebook. Nag-comment siya. I am the one to be careful because I already got scammed. So I replied, maybe you are my scammer because many Filipino scammer under Prince Hamdan Pasa's name.